Okay, good day mga idol. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, paano nga ba gumamit ng New Relic para mag-troubleshoot ng downtime. Kunwari nag-down ang iyong server, anong gagawin mo? Ayun, so yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung ano nangyari sa amin and paano ko ginamit yung New Relic para i-troubleshoot yun. So just a bit of a background, I've been a Drupal developer since 2012 and Java developer a few years before that. So ngayon, nung sa amin nangyari, nung January, biglang nag-down yung aming server. So pag tinignan ko yung error logs, ang nakikita ko is napupuno yung DB connections. So let's dive right in. So pagpasok mo sa New Relic, ito yung interface namin nun sa APM ng New Relic. Yan, makita mo yung top transactions nyo, sabihin yung web transactions, or yung top database queries. Meron din mga Drupal specific, yung mga views, information about views, hooks, and modules. Okay. At ayan, so since na-mention ko nga kanina na yung pinaka-problem namin is na pupuno yung database connection, so it makes sense for me to check out yung top databases, or rather yung database na section para makita ko yung top query. So pagdating mo ito, so currently yung tinitignan nyo ngayon, ito na yung yung database na tab. Tapos may options dito, most time consuming, slowest query time, tsaka throughput. So throughput, ito yung dami ng calls per minute. Yung slowest query time, ito yung pinakamabagal na query. Yung most time consuming is yung multiplication ng dalawang to. So yung query time niya plus how many times it's called per minute. So parang pinaka-importante talagang metric is yung most time consuming. Ayan, so ayan. So ito yung nakikita nyo ngayon, most time consuming. So papakita yung query time nitong taxonomy term data select. So minsan nagpipick siya ng 2 milliseconds, pero normally na siya, less than a microsecond. Tapos yung throughput, sa isang minuto, gano'ng kadalas siyang tinatawag. So ito ay kinocall ng 96,000 times. Ayun. And then, since ito yung top query, minsan mabagal to, tapos papakita sa iyo, may mga sample siya ng nung query na yon. So ito, for example, 14 seconds. Okay, so kakaiba to na bakit sobrang tagal. Na typically, it's just microsecond lang itong query na to. So yun, so pag kinlik mo yung sample trace, and you will see the line of code where it's executed. So dito, ito core code. Ito custom code namin. So from here, you can inspect your code base kung ano nga bang ginagawa nitong query na to. Okay, so yun, malaking clue yun. So meron akong since January pa nangyari yung downtime that I'm going to talk about. So ang papakita ko na lang is yung screenshot nung time na yon. Ayun, so ito na nga yung screenshot na sinasabi ko. So medyo iba lang yung user interface. Medyo luma pa kasi ito kumpara dun sa pinakita ko in the previous screens. Ayan, so dito makita natin na merong top query na key value update. So previously, chinek ko na to, yung taxonomy term data select, and expected sa code base namin na tawagin ito ng maraming beses. Kaya top query ito. So it's not necessarily slow, kagaya nga kanina, lang to, less than a millisecond, pero it's called multiple times, kaya siya top query. So meron din akong historical data ng aming top query. So taxonomy, term data select, memcache get, path alias select, etong mga to, parang okay lang naman na top query sila. Pero yung key value update, medyo surprising. So, eto, update key value set, where name and collection. So, nalaman namin ito na ito ay key for the twig cache prefix. Ayan, so sa Drupal na specific na environment, ito yung ginagamit para mag-generate ng twig files. So it's weird na umaabot ng 137 seconds to from time to time. Ayun. So, di ba? Kung isipin mo, dapat mabilis lang to. Tapos ito na yung primary key niya. Yung name and collection. Dapat mabilis to. So, not sure why. So, ito yung in-investigate namin further. Bakit nga ba mabagal itong query na ito? Okay. So, ayun nga, bakit mabagal yung update statement na yun? So, meron akong 3-word answer that I can share paano namin na-solve yung issue. So, issue number 1, okay, or answer number 1 is database locking. So, kaya mabagal yung update statement na yun is because of database locking. So, merong 2 types of locking. So, one is yung read lock. So, pwedeng sabay-sabay mag-lock ng record for reading. Walang problema yon. Pero, hindi pwedeng mag-write lock habang may naka-read lock. So, yun. Tapos, ang second type ng locking is yun nga, as I mentioned, is yung write locking naman. So, when there's write locking, exclusive yun. Isa lang ang pwedeng mag-write at a time. So, yun yung answer number 1, bakit mabagal. Pero even then, it's not enough para umaba ng 137 seconds. Diba? Think about it. So, bago mo i-update yung isang record, ilalak mo. And then, pag nilock mo siya, siguro mga a few milliseconds lang yung mismong update and then i-release mo yung lock. So, that doesn't make sense. Bakit aabot ng 137 seconds? Okay, so, second word answer is transactions. Okay, transactions. Ang ibig sabihin, so, pag nag-start ka kasi ng database transactions, ang purpose ng transaction is that if anything goes wrong along the way, pwede mag-rollback, tapos hindi na sa undesired state yung database mo. Pero ang kapalit nun is that lahat ng mga na-write lock na records until mag-commit, hindi ma-release yung mga locks na yun. So in that case, pwedeng maging prolonged yung transaction. So this begs the third question, bakit haba yung transaction? At ito na talaga yung totoong answer. After discussing with our sysad team and the development team, ang naging dahilan, just a bit of a background sa aming setup. So meron kaming multiple webheads. Tapos yung multiple webheads na yun, nagsha-share ng file system. So para pag nag-upload ka ng file in one webhead, makikita rin yun sa kabilang webhead. Diba? So as expected. Pero ang problema, internally, Drupal generates twig files. Okay. At pag hindi mo configure properly, mapupunta yung generation ng twig file sa same storage na yun. Ang problema, mabagal yung shared storage na yun. So yun, so after discussing with the team, minove namin yung storage ng twig files into a different storage para mas mabilis. So once we did that, ayun na, nasolve na yung issue, hindi na naging top query si key update value and wala na yung downtime. So again, it took a lot of time, research, sweat and blood, at maraming prayer before we were able to find out the solution. So I hope that helped kung sino man yung makaka-encounter ng same issue. So yun, that's it.